Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trade cards in NBA 2k23. Now unfortunately NBA 2k23 doesn't have an actual trading system, but we're going to use something called the auction house. Now the auction house is very simple. What you're going to do is, let's say for example your friend has got a player and you have got a player. Let's say they go for about 10,000 coins, but they have a market cap of 30,000. What you're going to do is you're going to list that player for 30,000, and your friend is going to find the ID, which it will tell you the name of the person that has auctioned it, and your friend is going to buy that certain card. And now you're going to have 30,000. Now after, with that money, you're going to then purchase the same card, so the other card that he has, for 30,000. So none of you lose any money, and B, you have traded the card. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.